everyone, it's Jedel Carmeli once again. Shout out to Ma'am Mary Grace Lucar and to my 14 dear subscribers. I love you guys! It's almost Christmas, isn't it? Do you feel the cold weather? Well, today I will be preparing something good for the cold weather of Christmas. It's called creamy ham and mushroom soup a la Therese. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of butter, thinly sliced onions, minced garlic, ham sliced into small portions, few pieces of mushroom, 2 tablespoons of cream of mushroom powder, 1 cup of whipping cream, and 5 cups of water. Now let's start cooking. First, let's preheat our pan. Now tasting time! It's very good. I'm sure you will like it, guys. Now let's play. My creamy ham and mushroom soup a la Therese. Hope you like it! forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone! Mwah!